So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a US dollar high interest savings account here using the RBC Mobile application. So once the RBC app's opened up, where it says account overview, press on open an account, or you can go to the bottom right and press on more. Scroll down the products and press on open an account. Once you're on the open an account page, I want you to press on savings account right here. And under savings account for a US dollar high interest savings account, I want you to press exactly that. So you have 5 different options. This one, fourth option, RBC US high interest savings account. I want you to go ahead and press on that. Now once you're here, it'll actually show you the interest rate that's being offered in the top right, as well as give you a couple things that are included with this account. And if you want to see the fee table right here, press on fee table, and then you can see the fees that are associated with this account. So keep in mind, this of course is in US dollars. So if you wanted to have US dollars in a high interest savings account, this is how you can do that. Now if all looks well, go to the bottom, press on open an account in minutes, and then proceed with the next steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up a US dollar high interest savings account on the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.